It's your girl, Alexis Jaeigh. Y'all, I'm back with another video, and as you see from the title, today's video is another wig install. Like, y'all, like, I know I've been slacking on my wig installs, like the long form content, but let's get back into it, okay? But anyways, so before we get into this video, make sure y'all check out www.ajjewels.org, y'all. Y'all, come check out this jewelry, especially if you're rocking naked wrist or you want to step up your fashion game and you want to add more accessories to it. Go ahead and check out www.ajjewels.org. Thank y'all once again for 1K subs. And stay tuned for the video to where I'm celebrating those 1K subs. So, yeah. Anyways, y'all, let's get into the video.
I'm out of town, thuggin' with my round. My coochie pink, my booty hole brown. Where the niggas come looking for the hoes. Quit playing nigga, cause suck a bitch toe. Pound town, just left Pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. Pound town, just left Pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. I'm out here in Miami, looking for the hoochie daddy. Where the niggas that get ratchet? My son need a new pappy. Too many bitches, where the niggas at? I'm tryna get my coochie stretched. Yeah, I'm tryna get my coochie stretched. Yeah, you know them dreadheads do it the best. Oh yeah, I like a nigga with a check. All my niggas give me that. You know I'm sexy, I'm the best. I'm the shit, little bitch, I'm that. You know I can't say his name, cause he be cheating. I love you, baby. Yeah, and I'm the reason. Niggas love a bad bitch. Yeah, yeah. What Suki say, nut on my tits. Pound town, just left Pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. Pound town, just left Pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. Oh, oh, oh.
Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. Oh, baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh, baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me. Take control of me. I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. See, I don't know if I can handle you as just a friend. Oh, baby, I can't pretend. Oh, baby, I'm so foreign. But I don't mind as long as I could have you in my life. Oh, baby, I'm satisfied, even if you're not just mine. Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top?
be in